Hello guys, I'm all Thai in the United States. This is my minimal Christmas decoration at home. I have not many. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 dolls last year, and this time, the second year, I got 2 more. I have a small Christmas tree that is enough for me because I could not see where I should put the bigger one. I would like to get the bigger one. I will figure it out first. And then I got the timer plug for Christmas light. It is very convenient to have timing turn on, turn off automatically. This is the minimal decoration that I am very happy with it. Better than doesn't feel any Christmas atmosphere at all, right? I watch Christmas movie all seasons. I show the house that I work, and I would like to show you comparing. My house is tiny. The house I work is bigger and nicer. I am happy in this small house, and I am very satisfied with my Christmas decoration. As I said, minimalist, better than not feel Christmas at all, right? Thank you for stopping by. Have a happy holidays.